0-0. 0-0-2.
Robert.
Yours.
See, mine.
I couldn't make up my mind if I wanted to jump over in front of you or not.
That was fine. You could have had it.
1-0-2. Yours.
I was trying to get pickles for the video.
2-0-2. Yours.
Oh, my fault. Went too high.
Thank you, Vicky.
Well, that just get me inspired.
There you go.
Watch out, Vicky. Heads up, heads up.
You got 1?
0-2.
0-2.
Longer arms. I can't go any wider.
Or
You
move
should
your
just
feet.
handcuff some- Daryl,
Where,
Daryl
how
can
am I
pull you
gonna
up
do
on
my
the horse.
feet? Look where I am. Look at my stance. I'm reaching like this.
1, 2, 1.
Oh, damn it.
That's out, that's out, that's out.
That wasn't it.
Glenn got so much wind up. You can tell how hard he's going to swing.
Too many years of pitching baseball.
2-1-1. Yours.
Shot.
Nice shot, nice shot. Good setup, Vicky.
Go wide.
Open the middle right up. 3-1-1. Line. 4-1-1. Yours.
That sun popped up behind that cloud right this time.
4-1-2.
Wasn't ready.
Now you have 2.
Yeah, now you have 2.
Now you have 2, Glenn.
2-4.
Your serve right.
Two, 4, 2.
Sun's right in the bad spot for you, Glenn.
I could not see anything. Felt like a spectator.
4-2-1. Yours.
Four, two, two.
Good play, guys. Heads up, Sean. Heads up, heads up.
2, 4, 1.
Stop. 5-3-1. Shit, fire safe. Fucking matches. Oops.
Five, three, two. Three, two.
Yours? Get all excited. I got the wide open court.
And I hit it off the top of the barrel.
Yeah.
7, 3, 2.
Yours?
Eight, three, two.
Good rally, guys. Good rally.
Nine, three, two. Ten, 3, 2.
Mine.
A little more push.
310. Two. Four, 10, 2.
Nice. Good serve, Sean.
I told him. I was throwing my paddles away yesterday.
10, 4, 1.
That's how it was. Yeah, it's horrible.
And we have played worse.